Now coming to the cubic equation. So in this cubic equation, there is a power of 3 in the equation, and that we are going to discuss. So let's take one example here. So the example is x cube minus 6s square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Now, what is the conventional method of solving this question? That we will try to find one number that is going to satisfy this equation, right? Suppose in this case, we're going to start from x, the value of 1 or minus 1, then 2 or minus 2. Then you will going to ask, sir, how we are doing. So this is called hit and try. First, we are going to try it, which one is going to satisfy the equation. Like if I'm going to put 1, this will become 1 minus 6. This value of x is equal to 1. So this is also 1 plus 11 into 1 minus 6. And if you are going to solve it, what you will get? 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Minus 6 is 12 and 1 plus 11 is 12. So 12 minus 12 is 12 equal to 0. So it means x equal to 1 is one possible answer. So because x equal to 1 is the possible answer, what you do? X minus 1 equal to 0. This is one equation that you are going to find out from here. And in that way, you calculate the value, right? You are finding the commons. This is not so quick, and sometimes you will going to struggle for this calculation. So we are going to avoid it, and we are going to use a different approach. Before discussing this question, because this is in the form of cubic equation, so we are going to write two formula here. Suppose a plus b whole cube. What is the a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is one. And the second formula is what? A minus b whole cube equal to a cube. This is same again plus 3a square b minus, it will become minus, I think, yeah, because of the minus, this is minus, plus 3ab square, okay, minus. So this is the two equations. So we are going to use out of any of this, we are going to use any one equation. So how we are going to use this? Here you can see that in the formula, very important point I'm going to discuss, that this number is 3ab. What does it mean? 3a square b or 3ab square? It means what? Whatever the value you will get, that must be multiple of 3, right? If it is 4 or 3, whatever it will come, it will 7. But at the end, all the number must be multiple of 3, right? Now, what was the number? That is the number we had deleted. So now discuss this question here. So we are going to write down here 6x cube minus, always you have to write down this 2 value here and rest of the value in the right side. So this will become 11x plus, it's clear? This will become 11x minus, and minus will become here. Now it is clear. Now our point is how to get this number into this formula, right? What is the value I can took here, so that I will give the answer. Now look at here how I'm going to solve. So this is x cube minus 6x square. So if I'm going to make any value here x, or here I'm going to make any value, suppose that 2. So can we get here the same value? No. If I'm going to get x here, so x cube plus a value is x, so x square is there, and b value I took 2. So this is 2 and already 3. So 3 2 are 6. So answer is what? I got 6x square. And this was minus x square, right? So what I have to take? We have to take minus 2. If I'm going to take minus 2, this will become minus 6, right? So now this is the value we have to take. So I'm writing here formula x minus 2. Tell me just x minus 2 whole cube. So x minus 2 whole cube, if I'm going to solve this, x cube minus 3 into x square into value of b. Value of b is what? 2. Because I already took minus here, so I'm taking only 2. Now again plus 3 into, only we have to write down x, because there is only a. So I'm writing x into b square. Because of that b square, this a minus 2 will become a plus 4. And that is the reason this is only plus. Now minus b cube, because b is already negative, so it will become minus 8. Now, actually, this is the formula. So we are going to solve it. X cube minus 3 into 6x square plus 12x minus 8. This is the number we are getting in. Okay. As you can see that the same thing in our question as well. So what we are going to do here, we are going to put this x cube minus 6x square from here to this value. Okay, so we are going to put value. Suppose that this is our equation 1. Put the value of equation 1. I'm going to put this. So after putting it, I have to put minus 11x plus 6 plus 12x minus. Okay. Now this 11x and plus 12x, it will give you x, and 6 minus x is minus.
Right.
This is x minus 2, and earlier we have x minus 2 cubes. Suppose that let's x minus 2 equal to y, that I supposed. So this x minus 2 is equal to become a y cube, and this is equal to y. Now generally we don't have to cancel it out. If you are doing it, you will become a wrong answer. You will get a wrong answer. Why? Because cancelling it, only 2 squared is there. It means what? I told you, if the power is 3, it means you will get y, the value of y is 3 value. And if you are cancelling it, only 2 is there. So now you are getting only 2 values. Ultimately you are getting one less answer. So the right way to solve this question is we have to make this y into the left side. So I'm going to use this y cube minus y equal to 0. Now I'm writing here. So y I'm taking a common. So it will become y square minus 1 from this equation. Right. So y square minus 1 equal to 0. Now one equation I got it, y equal to 0. That I got answer. The second was y square equal to 1. This one coming to this side. So from here y equal to what? Plus minus. So I have a 3 answer. Y की value 3 value I, 0 I, plus 1 I, and minus 1. This 3 value. That we have to put into the equation. We had made it here. What is the value of y? X minus 2. So therefore I'm writing x minus 2 equal to value of y is 1. So 1. X minus 2 value of y is what? Minus 1. Or x minus 2 value of y is what? 0. I'm putting the every value of y here, because that is the y equal to 0, y equal to plus 1, y equal to minus. After putting this value, what we get here, this one will become a 3, this will become a minus 2 plus 2, so minus 1, plus 1. Okay, and this is become 2. So the value of x is equal to what? 1, 2. This is the, so what is the steps involved here? First we are going to make the numbers, that is we have to track, that is fit and our formula in this two formula, either this one and either this. If we are getting that, we are going to put that value into the equation, and then we are going to make it a y, and after finding the y value, we are going to find the equation and we get the answer. Now here what is the easiest part? We don't have to find and we have to take any guesswork or any hit and trial method. Okay, that whatever we are doing here is that we are doing because of this two formula. Okay, let's take one more example so it will become clear. Now one more thing I wanted to tell you, that every time this number is not equal to coefficient of multiple of 3. Sometimes this is, in this case, 6 was equal to multiple of 6, but this is not in every. So how we are going to solve this, that we are going to also discuss. So write down x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 equal to 0. Now here you can see that what we are going to do. So solution is
a plus b whole cube.
A plus b.
A plus b whole cube.
Whole cube. Yes, a plus b whole cube. First I'm writing x cube plus 6x square equal to 11x minus 11x minus 6. That I am putting into, this x cube plus 6x square we need. If it is plus, so we need a plus value. So I'm writing this x, and this is 6. So how we are going to get the 6? We have already 3. So how we are going to get the 6? Obviously plus 2. So 3 to the 6 that we are getting. So I'm writing plus 2, and then we are finding the cubes. So x cube plus 3 into x into 2, x square into 2 plus 3 into, now x will be simple and 2 will going to be squared, and now 2 cubes, that is 8 I'm writing. So solve it. X cube plus 3 to the 6 x square plus 3x and 2 squared is 4. So 4 3 is 12. Now this is what x cube plus 6x squared. We can put down the value minus 11x minus 6 plus 12x plus. So this 11x minus 12x you will get x, and 8 minus 6 is you will get plus. Now again this is x plus 2. If you are going to make this value y, this is also become y. So again y cube equal to y. So y common, y square minus 1 equal to 0. So now y value is 0, 1 and minus 1. These are the three value you got. So how we are going to solve it? We have to put the value x plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 1, and x plus 2 equal to minus. These are the three value we are getting here of the value of x. So this from here what we get minus 2. Here what we will get minus 1, because this is plus 1 and this will become minus, and now here minus, because minus 1 is there and one more minus 1. It will all get it. So we got the answer of minus 2 minus 1 here. In that way you can solve the any. Now I told you one thing, that what if the value is not equal to, you are not able to find any value in this format, then what you are going to do? Then you have to do the adjustment. How to do the adjustment? That is the creativity. So let's take one example in this case, and then this lesson will also complete. So next example I'm writing here, x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, this is the question. Now you can see that you are not able to find the multiple of this number. Can you able to find it? You will never find the 7 in the multiple of 3. Can you find it? No. So if you are not able to find it, you have to take the different route. That I am going to take in this. Write down the solution. X cube plus 7x square equal to, again this will into right side, so 14x minus 8. It's clear? Now what we are going to do, we are going to make it some adjustment. If we are not able to make it 7x square, so we are going to make number which is greater than 7x square at least. Okay, so what will be the greater value? So suppose that I'm going to take x plus 2, because this is in plus, so obviously we have to take plus here, and 2. In the case of plus 2, we have already taken multiple times, so I'm going to going into the previous question. The possibility is you will get 6x squared. So what is the next number you can take here? Instead of taking 2, I'm going to take 3 and make it a cube. So obviously we will get the greater than 7. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind. So now x plus 3 cube equal to x cube plus 3 into x square into this 3b plus 3 now x and 3 square and plus 3 cube, that is 27. Now solve it. X cube plus 3 3 is 9x square plus 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27, x plus 20. That is the number you are getting. Now x cube plus 7x square is what? Minus 14x minus 8. So I'm writing minus 14x minus 8. Now here plus 2 7 square is extra. Look at this. We can write down this 9x square equal to 7x square plus 2x square, right? We can write down x cube plus 7x square plus 2x. I write down this 9x square into this format plus 27x plus 27. And because of this, now I can write down x square plus, sorry, x cube plus 7x square is minus 14x, that I'm writing here, minus 8 plus 2x square plus 27x. अब आप इसको देखो, minus 14x minus 12, it will going to be subtracted 2x square, I'm writing as it is, this is 2x square minus 14x plus, it will become plus 13x and minus 8 plus 27. What you will get? 19 you will get. So next value is what? Now you have to make the number that is in the form of x plus 3. Then you will going to make this value y. Otherwise, you will not able to do that. So we have to make the number in the form of y. So how we are going to make it in the form of y? Because this is the square format in the form of a square. So what we can do here, as you can see that 9 into 2, 19 into 2 is what? 18. You will never get any number which is the 13. You will going to make it 18. Okay. We have to get a 9 and 19. You will not get it. Always you will get a number which is above or below the 19. So I'm going to make it 21 and minus. So 21 minus 2 is what? 19. Now solve this question. So 21 into 2 is what? 42. So with this number, we have to get the 42. How we are going to get the 42? 2x square. Okay. We get 7x. 7 6 is 42. And that value will be also 13. 7 plus 6 is what? 13. And 7 6 is 42. So that is the value. So I'm writing here 2x square plus 7x plus, here write down 6 plus 7x plus 21 minus. Now take the common from here. So this is 2x. I'm going to take the common. So it will become x and this will become 3. Now this is I'm going to take plus 7. I'm going to take x plus 3 and minus 2 is there. Now x plus 3 is common in both the terms. So next page, plus 3 I'm going to take the common. What is the number remaining? 2x plus 6 and minus 2 is already out. This minus
3 values.
3 value. Now I'm also writing this x plus 3 whole q in the left side. X plus 3. We can make this number equal to y. So this is also y, right? So what is the value? It will become y cube equal to y into. Now look at this 2x plus 7. Can we write down this 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 3 plus x plus 3 plus 1. So this is x plus 3. So y. This is x plus 3. This is also y. So 2y. Y plus y is what?
2y.
2y plus 1. Write down 2y minus
2.
ये नोट है, इसको मैं ब्रैकेट में लिख देता हूँ. Keep in mind. So we converted like this. So now this is the number. Now solve it. You are going to multiply. So what you will get? Y cube, and I am writing into the left now. So y square into, so minus 2y square and minus y, and this minus 2 will become a plus 2 equal to 0. So now this is the formula. Now how we are going to do this? I'm going to take the y square common from this equation. Y square common, so y minus 2 and minus y common, so y minus 2 equal to 0. So from there, y square, y minus 2 I'm going to take common from here, so it will become y square minus 1 equal to 0. So from here what we will get? Y equal to 2, and from here we will get y equal to plus 1 or minus. ठीक है, ठीक है, 3 वैल्यू आ गए। अब हम इस y की वैल्यू को x में डालेंगे। हमने किसको y माना था? x plus 3 को। x plus 3 will be a 3 possibility. It will be equal to 2 x plus 3 or write down better way, write down x plus 3 equal to 1
X plus 3 equals
or
to
x plus 3 equal to, this is a 3 possibility. So solve this number. So from here x equal to 1 because 2 minus 3 is minus. From here what you will get? X equal to minus 2. And from here what you will get? X equal to minus minus minus. So these are the three numbers. X equal to minus 1 or minus 2 or 1. Look at here, write down. First question you have to write down x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 16 equal to 0. This is the equation 1. Equation 2 you can write down x cube. Again look at this. This is the multiple of 3, so it will be easy. Second question is x cube plus 8x square. This is not a multiple of x. Multiple of 3. 17x plus 10 equal to 0. Here you also find the value of x. Question is find the
value of x.
Value of x. So there is a 3 value because this is a cubes. Third example, x cube plus 10x square plus 27x plus 18 equal to 0. Okay, 18 problem. Do the practice. Probably you will get the concept from there only. Okay. Okay. So our topic is completed.